Hello class, welcome to our last lesson in chapter 0. So this will be the final lesson, and after this there'll be a short quiz and then a practice test, and I do actually have a project for this chapter 0 regarding this very concept. It is point 3, the second part of it, regarding percents. Here's your goal. I will be able to find percent change. Today I want you to be able to find the percent change of two numbers. So here's the formula. Percent change is equal to the amount of increase or decrease. The amount of increase or decrease, that would go on the top. And on the bottom is the original amount. The original amount. All right, so that's your formula. You're going to find how much did something increase or decrease. That's your numerator. The denominator is what amount did you begin with. You'll divide those two numbers, and then you'll make that decimal a percent. All right, so you'll divide the numbers, and then you will make the decimal a percent. And to speed things up, I'm going to use a calculator instead of doing everything longhand. But I encourage you to try and do some of these longhand as well. Here's our first example, a class. A class increases from 21 to 25 students. Find the percent increase. All right, you increased from 21 to 25 students. So the numerator is going to be the amount it increased or decreased. So what did it increase? It increased by 4 students, right? 25 minus 21 is equal to 4. So the amount that it increased by 4 students. That's my numerator. The denominator is my original amount. I started at 21. I went from 21 up to 25. So it's 4 divided by 21. I take my calculator, 4 divided by 21, I get 0.19, 047619. I move the decimal 2 to the right. It is about 19% increase. There was a 19% increase in my class. Okay, so it's the amount of increase or decrease divided by the original. Here's my second example. A price. A price of some good decreases from 12 to $9. So it decreased from 12 to $9. Find the percent decrease. Okay, so I want to find the amount of decrease first. So it's 12 minus 9 is 3. That is the amount of decrease. The original amount, it started at 12. It started at $12. So it decreased $3, 12 minus 9, divided by the original 12. 3/12 is 1/4, and I know 1/4 is 25%. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 or a quarter. 25% is 1/4, a quarter. All right, so a $12 to $9 decrease is a 25% decrease, a 25% cut. All right, so it's a pretty easy example, and one of the projects I'm going to have you do as we finish this chapter is to pick something in the real world. You can Google something, find it in a newspaper, where something changes. For instance, here's an option. Here's the third example. Someone's pay. Someone's pay goes from $12.50 per hour to $14 per hour. If that was your salary or your wage increase from $12.50 to $14, What percent did it increase by? You would find the difference. Find the difference between 14 and 12.50. And we're going to divide that by the original pay. The original pay was $12.50. All right, so what is 14 minus 12.50? Well, in your head, 12.50 plus 50 cents makes 13, plus $1 makes 14, so it's $1.50 difference. You earn $1.50 more per hour. And divide that by 12.50, and it should give us the percent increase. 150, $1.50, divided by 12.50 is equal to 0.12. And how do I change that decimal to be a percent? Move it over to 12% increase in pay. In a typical inflationary year, people, just thinking about inflation and the cost of living, people normally get a 3 to 4% increase, maybe, in their wages. This is a 12% increase. It's a very large increase. All right, so this is the lesson on percent change. You have a worksheet here. It has a lot of problems on it, but follow Canvas. And in Canvas, it will tell you exactly which problems to do. You only do select problems in the 1 through 23 section, but down below, the 24 through 31, I want you to do all of the percent change. All right? So follow the directions in Canvas as to which problems to do, and then I will answer any questions you might have during our Google Meeting time. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day whenever you're watching this, and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.